Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to hide your mutual friends on Facebook. First, open your Facebook application. Now, in the top right corner, click on this 3-bar icon. Now scroll down and click on settings. Now scroll down again, and here you can find how people find and contact you. Here in the second option, you can find who can see your friends list. Click on here, and then tap see more. You can see it will be set to public or friends. You just need to change it to only me. Just change this to only me, so after that nobody can see your friends list and your mutual friends. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video.